Bago ba yan?
Ay, gago.
Hindi ako milig.
Go, gayahin nyo na naman to.
Malamang pero wala
Kasi
kasi
siya
siya.
Fighter na support.
Ganito ko yung ginugupit.
My sister is fixing my hair. I hope you're soon.
Wala pa naman nanonood.
Although muna ko muna kasi mapabagal yung carpet. Paka-disconnect muna ako nung kay Shawarma. Tsaka nung kay ano, Ever Sex.
Lul.
Maglalaro kasi kami.
Ay, maglalaro daw
Hello,
sila.
30 viewers. Pa-up nyo naman yan, oh. Nagpapagupit lang ako kasi alam nyo na, summer na, ang init na ng panahon. So, it's time to cut my hair short. Because
Gagalabari
super
ka kung wari.
init.
Gaga-heart-heart ka kung wari. Alam.
Like how?
Hi dear.
Heart lang hilista. Inaisa ni Ver, shawarma.
Yun mo.
Ver's fixing my hair like heart. Do you know that? You think you know that is possible? Yes, it is, darling, because it's happening right now. And you're watching it.
Ayan.
You like my short hair era, darling? Go cut your hair right now in front of me. Do it like yourself. Because why? You will do it by yourself. Only yourself can do it. No other than. No is other than. This is how to cut your hair. Just get a friend that is
Hairstyle.
good in hair cutting. So you will cut your hair after it.
Section si Bert.
Section number 1.
Section.
This is how you do it. You will layer it and fixing it like a magic carpet.
Ino mo. Push this time.
Push the button. Kanina mo sinasad yung mga video ko, darling. Kay mama.
Yun na mo.
K-A-A-V. I knew it. Sobrang bagay sa iyo hair mo. See how oh my god. That is so sharp, darling. Darling, that is so sharp.
OA mo, gaga. Sakto lang yan.
That is so this is so intense, everyone.
Ulo, parang po. Nakamadri.
Oh my god.
Wait lang, wala pang ang nababawas dyan eh.
Parang totoong booking yan.
Nakakairita!
Oh my god.
Nakakabisi.
Darling, don't cuddle, okay?
Gaga!
Just a tiny bit.
Ito naman, kala mo naman.
Hindi ko ni mga puti mag-react.
Correct.
Oh, eh. You gotta be white.
Why gonna be white?
Why you gotta be white? Why you gotta be white? Or the English era.
Wait lang, alaga. Tapos, di ba na-trim mo na yun?
Hindi mo alaga. First may alaga.
Oh my gosh, hi! What's up, guys?
How to cut your hair in just
So,
3 minutes.
you got like a...
Charger. Doon tayo kasi malulubat mo sa
Hindi
ilim.
ko rin.
Doon daw kasi di charger. Ay, hindi na malulubat na.
First time ko mag-meeting.
Anyway, so let's go back
Once
to
the
the
longest piece is...
Dito to ishopon yung Hailey.
Correct.
I like the car,
Wala pa
darling.
gaga. Huwag muna natin ibalik kasi kailan ko ng guide sa kabila.
Sorry ni Versex, ginugupitan niya ng box si Kim K. Oh, Kim K.
Oo nga.
Pang set
Sim
siya.
ka eh. Malala. Tapos yung ano niya, sisi din na malala.
Fresh ka.
Parang kaja.
Maganda yun kung sama-sama lang.
Ay, hindi siya nag-charge.
Halo yun.
Hindi pa ako satisfied dyan.
Maganda yun sa Clash.
Hindi pa habol.
Pang huli.
Aki, ba't di ko magana itong charger?
Ulitin mo na yung saksa.
Oh, wala tayong kuryente. Pero may ilaw.
What's happening, my love?
So, okay, this is happening right now. Everyone, please have a good, like, eye to eye. Gusto niyo ba mag fan meet si Ver, pero ang gusto niyang gawin sa inyo is mag hair
Gago.
hairography or something like workshop about hairs, like fixing the hair strand,
Parang oo
fixing.
nga, parang pasabog nga yun.
Yeah, it's like a school of something like from David Salon or something like that.
Ulul.
Hindi yung mga ganyan mga sa David Salon.
Correct. Oo. Ang ina mo na yun doon, ikaw yan hawak.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And that's a fact.
Okay lang.
I'm just kidding.
And that's a fact, gago.
Let's just not use a dark humor anymore because, you know, something got killed.
Wait lang, kabila. Alaga.
Bakit kina-heart liver na naman ang...
Yan, ang ganda. Yan, ano.
Wait
I
lang,
wish I
wala.
could say the same, darling.
Tapos may papasata ako sa'yo, tigang one sa matrim mo siya.
Maganda kati-kati yan mamaya dyan. Tingnan mo mamaya talaga.
Why?
Yung buhok.
Gigi, why?
Magandang...
Chica. May papakita ko sa'yo, shawarma, kung ba't
Everyone just comment everything you want.
Ay, bumaba
Who loves
yung
it?
mga ano.
Just kula ko ma. Hi,
So,
Shi.
paano?
Hi, Yasha. Hi, Jen. Hi, Tim.
tignan mo kapag gitna siya, sis. Wait lang. Carry siya ng ganiti.